Og i dag spiller vi 99 Nights in the First. Fordi at det har vi fået at vide. I dag har vi en challenge, som Citron kommer til at forklare. Ja, vi skal se, hvor mange dage vi kan overleve uden at spise kød. Og så kæmpe The Stronghold så mange gange vi kan.
Her er en lidt længere version, hvor jeg forklarer, okay, så vi må kun spise gulerødder og bær og intet kød, som Citron ikke lyttede til, men intet kød. Vi vil se, hvor mange gange vi kan kæmpe Stronghold uden at dø. Så lad os komme tilbage til videoen.
Jo, og vi prøver at klippe videoen, så I næsten kun ser os, der ligesom klarer Stronghold. Ja, så kom, lad os gå i gang. Down, down, så vi skal faktisk bare slå op til en crockpot. Ja. Ja, og så skal vi også lige finde ud af, hvor det er. Ellers skal vi også finde sådan en ret her. Men nu kommer der lige noget dance moves, mens vi er i gang med at opgave eller andet, siger.
There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Let's find you a cup.
Wow, you're all clean. Look, she's like, I don't know you.
She's gonna know you because you're my dog sitter today. Jill is kind of, stepping into Melissa's old spot, and she wants to be helpful. Get the pooper scooper. Let's be helpful. Are you gonna walk her?
Outside?
Yes.
No, I don't.
Kendall doesn't come first. My dog comes first. So you want to go Tinkles?
I'm honored that Abby trusts her dog with me. I just really hope she doesn't go to doggy heaven on my watch.
Oh, look, we have progress. So good girl, go potty. Come on.
I think Jill saw an opening on Abby's pyramid of moms, and she's like, oh, Melissa's fallen from grace. I will walk the dog so I can get the top of the mom pyramid.
Come on, come see your mama.
She'll bark when she sees her. Well, I bark when I see Abby, too.
See?
I told you!
I know, you saw her.
I guess Broadway Baby can sense evil, too. I guess Jill is taking the approach that gifts didn't really get her too far, so now she's into doing favors for Abby.
That's something I would do.
Is there anything else in here you need me to do for you?
No.
You don't need any help in here?
No, we're all good.
All right.
Can I have my phone in my purse?
Who you calling?
Abby.
Oh, good. I thought we would draw straws. Who got the shortest stick to call her?
Why don't I call her?
Hello?
I'm still in bed. It feels so good.
We're all getting ready for competition.
Where are you, Abby?
I'm at the mouse house.
Oh, you're in Orlando. When are you coming home?
Whenever book a page, get the hell out of my studio.
Abby, were you serious when you said Peyton could have a solo?
Yes.
Okay.
Is Peyton doing a solo?
Brooke is doing a solo, and Peyton has a...
I really need a stew. I really need a stew. Sorry, hurry, curry, Larry. Og bare det var at sprinte, når du er hjemme, fordi at så mister vi ikke hunger så hurtigt. Yes. Hunger. Okay, jeg tager lige den her stew. We gotta chop some trees here. Choppy. Okay, jeg laver et rap. Appelsin, citron, spiller 99 Nights in the First. Guys, jeg kommer til at stoppe min iPad. Men vi er tilbage. 99 Nights in the First med appelsin og citron alene. Citron prøver at fælde træer for at lave basen, mens appelsin hun explorer. Jeg er bare bedre, fordi jeg er bare bedre, og det kan ikke sige noget til. Guys, skriv hvem jeres yndlings er i kommentaren. Jeg synes, I skal skrive mig, fordi det ved jeg bare, jeg er. Jeg nåede at lave det der rap videre. Fuck det. Ikke sige 100. No. Ej. No. This is Tak fordi I så med til frugtsalat.
Det var den video, vi fik kun Cheers for hullet en gang. Det var citrons skyld. Hej hej.
Excuse me?